Hello everyone. Bacteria, often misunderstood as solely agents of disease, play a pivotal role in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. Beyond their perceived negative connotations, a myriad of bacteria contribute significantly to various ecosystems, human health, and industrial processes. From aiding digestion to promoting plant growth and facilitating essential fermentation processes, these microscopic organisms are essential for the well-being of our planet and its inhabitants. This introduction sets the stage to explore the diverse benefits that bacteria bring to our world. Now we will look at the benefits of some of the bacteria. One of the most beneficial bacteria is lactobacillus. It plays a crucial role in the fermentation of food and is found in many probiotic products, contributing to digestive health and immune system support. Bifidobacterium, important for gut health and digestion. Escherichia coli. Some strains are beneficial and aid digestion. Streptococcus thermophilus, used in the fermentation of yogurt and contributes to gut health. Bacillus subtilis, soil bacterium with probiotic potential. Rhizobium, forms symbiotic relationships with legumes, aiding nitrogen fixation in soil. Acidobacter, involved in the fermentation of vinegar. Propionibacterium, used in the production of Swiss cheese. Salmonella enterica, used in cancer research for targeted therapy. Clostridium, some species are beneficial for fermentation processes, while others can be pathogenic. As we conclude our exploration into the fascinating realm of bacterial benefits, it becomes clear that these microscopic organisms are not merely invisible entities but silent architects of life. From supporting our digestive systems to fostering the growth of crops and contributing to industrial processes, bacteria are indispensable allies. Embracing a newfound appreciation for the intricate dance of bacteria in our world opens doors to innovative solutions and a deeper understanding of the interconnected web of life. Let us recognize, celebrate, and continue to harness the positive power of these tiny yet mighty contributors to the tapestry of our existence.